everyone, welcome to Spice and Slice where food tells a story. Today we are making a very healthy drink called red vital juice. This juice helps your skin glow, makes your hair strong and keeps your body fresh and clean. Brides to be, this juice is perfect for your natural wedding glow. First, soak chia seeds in water for 10 to 15 minutes. These seeds are very good for digestion. Now take an apple, carrot, beetroot and 4 amla. Add some pomegranate seeds and a small piece of ginger. Cut them into small pieces. Put all the ingredients into a mixer and blend well. Strain the juice to make it smooth and fresh. Now add the soaked chia seeds and mix nicely. Look at this beautiful red juice. So fresh and healthy. This juice helps to boost immunity, detox the body and give natural skin glow. Drink 1 glass every day and feel the difference. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Spice and Slice. Tell me in the comments, will you drink this juice in the morning or evening? Check the description for full details. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay glowing.